Alright, so a quick update right now. The sun is out. I still need to put like a few layers of wax on it, just waiting for that to come on. Wow, so the beading action is pretty good. I'm okay, I'm content with it. I'm not gonna do, you can see like micro scratches already. I'm not gonna do any paint correction, anything like that. I'm not gonna pay for it. But here is the look at the interior. You can see that I already got to work with just protecting the interior, I guess. Not going crazy, just a few screen protectors installed. I went for a aftermarket Amazon brand. One thing that I thought was pretty cool is if you put screen cleaning mode on, activate it on the main screen, you can it actually works right here. So this right here is how dirty the roof is from the delivery. I didn't know that, so probably even the seats probably are dirty. Probably didn't get it wiped down, but it's pretty interesting because I think the new Junipers supposedly have like another layer of tint. You can see from the difference where it's actually tinted. You see the dark pattern right there, and all of a sudden you see the cutoff right along. So this is supposed to help with heat rejection, but still gets pretty hot. And we definitely need a sunroof shade for the sunroof, even though it's tinted. All right, got the mobile chargers, everything like that. This cover is the same material as like a headliner, so that's pretty interesting. I thought it was like carpeted like this, and I would say this area right here, it will get messed up pretty easily, so I got protection for this. Does it go all the way back like that? Yep, it does. Huh? What's going on here? And I want to go ahead and test out. Whoa, all right. And once you press the button, it stops, it retracts. Okay, what about this one? Nice. That's pretty convenient for a car in this price range to have auto folding seats. You pay for this in like Beamers, Audi, etc. One other thing we purchased was same company. Like this. It's a drop-in. Let's see, fitment looks good. Not bad. Says this company gives a lifetime warranty. But I think they pretty much get them from the same area. I think this one goes up like this and it slides back and forth. That's pretty dope. I think goes in the center. This one goes like that. Okay, so this one goes in like that. This is dope. Nice. We got the Dionos installed. Pretty good. They're pretty slim fitting anyway in terms of width, but sitting upright, it fits pretty good. It doesn't impede on the seats or it doesn't make indentations. The headrest goes up just enough for it not to go ahead and put any marks permanently. Got some of these to protect the seats. Oh yeah, I'm gonna see if I could fit in the middle after both seats are installed. I mean, it's doable for a guy my size, but any bigger, I don't think you can. Shoulder width, you can't do anything. You kind of like squeeze in like that, but it's not working. I mean, it's doable. So here are the basic features, standard features. There's the window sticker. We went for the base, 19-inch wheels, black interior, stealth gray free, included paint, 5-seater, of course this is, and then it was manufactured August 2025. That's when we ordered it, and was produced in Fremont factory. Okay, that is basically our spec. We did the car seats today, and then we also did the sunshades today to match the interior. Other than that, everything is basically stock. take it easy for a while. I have a Prime. This is from 4 bumpers. I've had it for several vehicles. I'm gonna probably put this in the back to prevent any bumper taps, and probably something in the front. All right, but I'm gonna end my day with the Model Y today, and we'll check back in later.